Hi, Lam.
Hi, teacher.
How are you, Lam?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. Do you have any plans today?
No,
Okay, no, you did you eat your breakfast already, Lam?
yes, already.
Okay, good. So now, Lam, let me share my screen and now we will start answering your or checking your homework. Wait. Okay, now we can see it clearly. Okay, so now in here, Lam, as you can see in the direction, in the instruction given, you have to tell me whether each sentence is present simple or present continuous, right? So you don't
Yeah.
have to rewrite them like I'm cleaning my room, Lam. Okay, so we will be answering it all again today. Wait. Okay, we will answer it again, Lam. Now, for the first one, it's I am cleaning my room. What do you think is this sentence, Lam? Is it present simple or present continuous?
It is simple.
Why is it present simple, Lam? Can you remind me again what present simple is?
Teacher, in my head, I don't understand it, and I search Google to
Mm-hmm.
search Google not to help me, but like to uh to tell me what is. I don't understand it, and I tell Google, then he said something.
Oh, okay. I see. Now, in here, Lam, the instruction says that you have to decide whether each sentence is present simple or present continuous tense. Now, the first one, it's I am cleaning my room. Can you tell me, is it present simple or present continuous?
Continue.
Okay, yes, it is present continuous lam because see, I'm cleaning, which means it is happening right now. What are you doing? I am cleaning my room. Okay, now what about for two? She works in a hospital.
Person simple.
Okay, yes, it's present simple. Very good, lam. Present simple. Now we are playing basketball.
Person continue.
Very good. Okay, now they eat lunch at noon.
Uh, Person continues
Okay,
to.
now this one is not present continuous, lam, unless you can see is are and plus the ing lam, then that is the only time you can say it is continuous. Okay. However, in here we have they eat lunch at noon. So it is present simple. Okay. Generally true sentence that they eat lunch at noon lang. Now what about for five? He is writing a letter.
Uh, Person continue.
Okay, yes, present continuous. It's because we have here is and then writing. Okay, now what about oh, are you sick, love?
No,
Oh no,
because
you're
I just eat ice cream and
oh wait, you eat ice cream early in the morning?
no, the first day before this.
Oh, okay, okay. Now, Lam, let us continue. Okay, can you tell me the answer for six? My mom cooks delicious meals.
Simple. Present
Okay,
simple.
yes, it's present simple.
Simple.
Okay, now what about I am watching a movie right now? I am watching a movie right now.
Present continue. Nope. Yes. Okay.
The train leaves at 7 a.m.
Present simple.
She is wearing a red dress today.
Present continue.
The birds fly in the sky.
Present simple.
Okay, now can you tell me again, Lam, when can we say that a sentence is present simple? When can we say it is present simple, Lam?
No ing.
Okay, yes. There is no ing and it states facts, Lam, about the things that we do every day, our habits, our routines. Okay. Now, when can we say that a sentence is present continuous?
We have to have ing.
Okay, if we have SRM and then ing to indicate that the action is happening now, around this time, or about future arrangement. Now, let us have the second one. Now, in here, you have to use the present simple or present continuous to complete each sentence correctly.
I think
Now,
this one I didn't know, so I just learned. I
okay,
tried to do it.
okay, so don't worry lang. We will learn how to do it this time. Okay, now I usually get up. I usually get up early, but today I sleep late. Okay, so now this one is correct, Lam. I usually get up early, but today, Lam, it should be I am sleeping late. Okay, I am sleeping late.
Sleeping late.
Now, what about for two? We have here she. Is it read or reads? Mhm. This week, Lam, she reads,
And
or is reading. What do you think?
is reading.
Okay, yes, she is reading a new novel this week. Okay, see, it's this week, future arrangement. Okay, so it should be is reading. Now, what about four, three? We blank our grandparents every Sunday. Okay, this is correct. We visit. Okay, now they blank TV now. Now, Lam, now.
Uh,
They
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 doesn't have to
they
be doesn't
they they aren't
watching TV
okay, yes, they aren't
now.
watching TV now. They are
Doing their
okay.
homework.
Yes, they are doing their homework. Now, what about for five? The shop, the sh-
Opens.
okay, very good. The shop opens at 9 a.m. every morning. For six, he study for his exam at the moment. Is it study?
Studies. Have to be
Is it studies?
studies.
It is at the
He
moment,
is
Lam.
studying.
Ying.
He is study for his.
He is studying, Lam. He is studying. Okay. He is studying for his exam at the moment. When you have these phrases, Lam, like for example, at the moment, okay, at the moment. We also have right now. We are going to use is or and then ing, okay, plus the ing lam. So he is studying for his exam at the moment. Now, my parents blank coffee every day. My parents don't drink.
Coffee every day.
Okay, yes, my parents don't drink coffee every day. Now, for 8, listen, the baby.
Is crying.
Okay, yes, it should be is crying. Okay, now
No,
okay,
teacher.
yes.
I do it in here.
Oh, yes, it's in here. Wait, I didn't see it. Okay, yes, very good, Lam. Now, for 9, I like this restaurant. The food is great. Okay, she usually drive. Lam, she. Is it drive or
Drive.
drives? Drives.
Drive.
Okay, she usually drives to work, but today, Lam,
Cakes. Baby cakes.
is, she is.
Taking the bus.
Okay, yes, she is taking the bus. There you have it, Lam. Very good, Lam. Okay, so again, remember, Lam, that okay, wait, let me ask you questions. If our subject is she, Lam, what will be our verb? Is it um like, likes? Okay, what is your answer here, Lam? She like or she likes?
How do we likes?
Okay, yes, it's she likes. Now, what about if our subject is I, Lam? I. Is it going to be like or likes?
Like.
Okay, yes, I like. Okay, just remember that one, Lam. And we only use this one if it is present simple. But if it's present continuous, remember to add is or am and then ing if it is happening right now. Again, what it means when we say present continuous, Lam? Present continuous?
Uh. Mm,
It is happening
right
when?
now.
Okay, yes, it is happening right now. Now, Lam, okay, let me go back in here and we'll talk about lesson 38. What is your house like? Okay, now we have here apartment. Apartment. I live in an apartment. Do you live in an apartment, Lam?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, too.
But
And which,
apartment 6.
what, Lam?
But apartment 6.
Apartment 6. In floor 6? In the
No,
6th
in
floor?
floor 23.
Oh, in floor 23. Okay, that's really high, Lam. Okay, so I live in an apartment. Do you like living in an apartment, Lam?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, next one, we also have house. He lives in a house. Okay,
Teacher. But
yeah.
a house is bigger. Is bigger than The house bigger, still bigger in my floor, but not bigger than my apartment house. My grandma and grandpa, my grandma and grandpa have a house.
Okay, and is their house bigger than your apartment, Lam, or your apartment is bigger than their house?
My apartment is bigger than my
Mm.
house, but both of they are bigger than my floor.
Oh, okay. I see. Well, that's good to know, Lam. But at the same time, it's expensive to rent in an apartment, Lam.
But my mom said she she said house is expensive than apartment.
Yes, because when you say house, Lam,
Because
you own it.
just only have ours our people that we know. But
Mhm.
when we live in an apartment, we don't know who they are.
Yes, exactly. Well, that is the advantage of living in your own house, Lam. It is your own rules, okay? You follow your own rules. And living in an apartment, well, I believe your parents has reasons, especially it is really expensive to buy a house or build a house in Vietnam, especially you live in Ho Chi Minh City, Lam. But of course, maybe they are saving money for you to have your own house in the future. Okay. So now, do you want to have your own house, Lam, or you want to live in an apartment?
I will have my own house.
Okay, own house.
But
Would you
first, me
feel?
and me have to live with each other first.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so do you want to live in Ho Chi Minh still, or you want to live in another country?
Uh, because I have to live out of Ho Chi Minh, so I don't know where to live. I think I just come to the USA to learn because in there everything is really, very expensive.
Okay. So you want to go to the USA now?
Teacher, in my
Yes.
place, just one chair, it just costs a bit money, but in USA, it costs really
Mhm.
many
Oh,
because in there
yes.
everything is very expensive.
Yes, I believe that, Lam. Same here in the Philippines, Lam. If you live in the countryside, you can just ask your neighbors for vegetables. But if you live in a city, then you have to buy everything. So it's really expensive. Okay. Now, Lam,
Ask
going.
the neighbor too.
Yes. in in the countryside, Lam, in the place where I live, I can easily just ask my neighbors for some vegetables. So I can make vegetable soup. But in
Te-
the city, Lam, you have to pay money for everything.
Teacher,
Yes?
you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house, Lam.
Or if it's an apartment that is really big, small.
Okay, Lam. Now let us continue. Can you tell me, do you live in a house or an apartment?
A living apartment.
Okay, now next one. Does she live in a house or an apartment?
She lives in a house.
Okay, now does he live in an apartment?
No, he lives in a house.
Okay, very good. Do they live in a house?
No, they live in the apartment.
Okay, yes, well done, Lam. Now, can you tell me, what is this, Lam?
The kitchen.
Okay, what can we do in the kitchen?
We can cook things.
Okay, yes, we can cook food. Do you know how to cook, Lam?
No, I just know how to cook egg.
Oh, how do you cook egg? Do you boil it? Do you fry it?
Because from now I didn't do it because I always sleep a lot. So I didn't do it. I just
Why do you,
eat egg before this
why do you
class.
always sleep a lot?
I like.
You like sleeping?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a lot of free time then, Lam. What other classes do you have aside from English class? Do you have piano class? Swimming class?
Uh, I have one more English class,
Mm.
but
Face to
English
face?
is writing.
Is it face to face, Lam? Or
I have
online?
two math class. The English class and the math class is online.
Oh,
No.
it's online.
Oh
Who
yes.
is who is your
No,
teacher in your English class?
just math is online and English and one more
Yes.
math is in my play. I
Mhm.
have to go to learn
What about your English class? Is it online too or face to face?
face to face.
Okay, Lam, I see. Do you like learning online, Lam, or face to face?
Online because face to face they always said we had to but I don't like it.
Okay, I see. That is why. Now, Lam, let us continue with the next one. Okay, what room in the house is this?
Living room,
Okay, yes. What can we do in a living room?
watch TV or eat because my
Okay.
living room is near to the kitchen.
Oh, okay. That is why. Yes, definitely. We can watch movies. We can talk to our family and even eat there. Okay, next one, Lam. It's
Bedroom.
okay. Yes, bedroom. Do you have your own bedroom, Lam, or you sleep with
Teacher,
your mom
why
and dad?
this bedroom look like a place where I have a summer? Why it look like the
It
bed?
looks like a
The
hotel.
bed. It look like a hotel.
Okay, maybe it is a hotel, a bedroom in a hotel. Okay, so next one. What is it?
This look like a hotel too.
Yes, definitely. Do you have these in your house, Lam?
Ah no.
Yes, okay. So, can you tell me what is this, Lam?
A bathtub.
Do you
I don't
have,
have a bathtub.
oh, you don't have a bathtub, but you have a shower, right? Do you?
Yeah.
Oh,
But
yes.
if it's a bathtub, I have a small bathtub, but not always in here because that bathtub I give it to my to Mr. Ann's daughter,
Oh, okay. I believe his daughter is a big girl now. I think it's
teacher.
been a year.
She 1 year old and
Oh,
now everyone says she's very very uh everyone is scared of her already.
why?
Everyone is always scared.
Why? Why are they
She
scared of her?
just someone help her something then she like this. She do it by herself.
Oh, she doesn't like other people touching her?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Sometimes she do like this with Mia too.
Oh no.
She's
Well,
fight
she's so
with Mia. Mia don't know what to do too.
Oh no. Okay. Well, she's still a baby lamb. She doesn't know what she's doing. Okay,
Okay,
now.
but now she don't need a bathtub
She doesn't.
to need a bathtub. She sit on a chair to
Oh,
take a shower.
wow.
But
Okay, wow.
if she isn't my grandfather's house, she cuff grandfather and her too. Then she had to use the bathtub.
Okay. I see. She's so cute. The three of you are so cute. Now, next one, lamb. What is it?
God
Yeah, a garage, lamb. A garage. Do you have a garage? Do you have a
in my
garage, lamb?
apartment.
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Yes, because you need it. You have a car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, next one, lamb. What
But
is
I
it?
have to. But I have to gauge because if it on the top is one gauge, if it's out of a place to something, so
Mhm.
I have to go down to gauge to place there.
Oh, okay. I see. Now, next one, lamb. Can you tell me what this is?
Uh,
What is it?
uh, a garden.
Okay, so now this is not a garden, lamb, because a garden it has lots of
Oh,
flowers and vegetables. It is
yard. A
yard.
yard.
Yes, it is the backyard, lamb. Now next one. Oh, it's
Teacher,
a
I just own a yard. Uh,
you have a yard?
no, I just learned the yard before before have on this day, but I forgot.
Oh, you
I
forgot.
just
That
look
is fine.
like a garden.
It looks like a garden, ito. Okay, yes, that is fine, lamb. Now next one, what is it?
This must be a hotel. The room looks like
Yeah, it looks like one. I think so. But what do you think is it, Lam? This one, the blue
the
one.
pool.
Yes. Do you want to have a pool in your house?
Mm, in my house, just in my apartment house, in floor 5.
Oh, okay. I see. When was the last time you went to the pool, Lam?
But because every Monday is closed to
Mm.
every Monday is closed to clean, so I can't.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. So you can go there.
yeah.
Okay. At least you are
But they
okay
said
now. Your tummy
in
is not hurting.
2 o'clock p.m. they will open
Mhm.
and I will go to swim, but in there because it's just rain, so can't go to.
Oh no, bad timing, Lam. Wrong timing. Okay, so maybe next time. Now, I want you to complete the sentence, Lam. I have a bedroom and a.
Uh, Bathroom.
Okay, now what about in here?
We have a garage.
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 Garage. Okay, next one.
Garage. We have a kitchen, living room, and 3 bedrooms.
Okay, what about in your house, Lam? What what room do you have?
I have a kitchen, a living. room, two bathroom, and two bedrooms.
Okay. So it's indeed a big apartment, Lam. Now what about 4-3?
I have a bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchen in my apartment.
Well done, Lam.
If
Now
it's
let us
just one, so I think she live just only she because everything is just one.
everything's
Or
just one.
live with her mom or dad.
Or yes, probably, Lam. Okay, now let us have exercise. 3 more vocabulary. Okay, we have here new. It is new. What new thing do you have, Lam? Did you buy something recently?
Something new. No,
Yeah,
I
what's something new?
didn't buy something new. No, I
Oh,
just buy some clothes new.
oh, new clothes. Okay, great, Lam.
Teacher, one of my clothes. Because I go in Shopee, I see a cloud very pretty. Then I search it.
On Shopee?
Then I put, yeah, I put
Okay.
it in. I didn't just do it by myself, but I just put it in the something before my mom check it. When my mom check it, my mom said my mom will get me buy it, but because she said the color will be very odd.
Oh, okay. But since you told me you bought a new clothes now, then I think that is okay. Well, not everything in online, Lam, looks the same way as they are physically. Okay, now next one we also have small. It is small. What small thing do you have at home, Lam? What small
Uh,
thing do you have at home?
a pencil sharpener.
Oh, a pencil sharpener. Okay. Now, next one, we also have cheap.
No, 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 not
Um,
just only that. We have the stickers
oh,
smaller more.
okay. Yeah, that sticker is a lot smaller than the pencil sharpener. What about cheap, Lam? What does it mean?
It's like it's best.
Y-
Slave
Yeah, it's not expensive. What is the cheapest thing you have bought?
cheating. Oh, it's not many money.
Yes, it doesn't cost a lot of money, Lam. It's very cheap. What was it?
Like it's sharpener too.
Oh, okay.
A pencil.
What about your sticker? Is that expensive?
It's Mia sticker because
I remember you
she
getting
take
me a
from her
sticker.
teacher because she's good.
Oh, and why do you have it? It's me a sticker.
Mia told me that, so we just put it here too.
You're so cute, Lam. Now, what about old? It's an old house. Now, aside from an old house, what old thing do you have? Do you have an old T-shirt?
Wait, teacher. Teacher, this one.
What is that?
A mosquito.
Okay, a mosquito repellent. Why do you have a lot of mosquitoes in your apartment?
No, it's no any.
Okay, well, that is good, Lam. Okay, so now let us have the next one. We have big. It's a big house. What is the biggest thing you've got? Do you have a big teddy bear?
Because in the house.
Yeah. What big thing do you own? Maybe a big teddy bear? Do you have a big teddy bear?
No, everything is small. I
Really?
think a door table
Okay, those are
outside.
the only big things. Okay, what about the expensive ones, Lam? It cost a lot of money. What is the most expensive thing, or what was the most expensive thing you bought?
This is my iPad, so it costs
Mm.
5. How many? I don't remember, but I think it's the computer.
Oh, the
I have
computer.
2 computer, but one computer is my mom take from Miss Anne.
Oh, okay, Lam. And your iPad is Apple, right? Apple.
I think this costs this number. Wait, let me write
Yeah,
it.
that's expensive, Lam. 5 million? Not just 5,000. 5,000 is a short amount of is a little
So
amount of
can I
money.
use Google to translate this?
Yes, yes, of course, Lam. Because when you would say 5,000, that is a small amount in Vietnam, right? 5,000 VND. That's very small. Wait, let me translate it. 5,000 VND. See, it's only 11 pesos in the Philippines, Lam. 11 pesos. Not even a dollar. Not even a dollar.
Let me try to set.
Okay.
Oh, this card flat. No, almost 5 million.
Oh, almost 5 million? Wait, I
Yeah,
think
I
that's a lot
remember.
now. 5 million VND. Oh, that's a lot of money, Dam. That is 11,732. And if we'll convert that one in dollars, Lam, and that is around $190. Okay, so
Teacher.
that's a lot of money. Yeah.
And next year, me, Dad, and Mia say in her birthday we will buy for her a new iPhone.
Why? Does she doesn't have an iPhone, Lam? She doesn't have an iPad or
No,
a phone?
but because we see her iPhone is not cute. But my
Oh,
dad birthday is first, so within 2028 we will buy for him too.
okay. For Mia, well, she's still young, Lam. It's okay if she will not
No,
have an
she's 40 already.
iPhone. No, she's not 40. 40?
Yeah, she's 40 already.
You're kidding, Lam. Okay, now let us have item one. Tell me the opposite word of it, Lam. It is expensive. What is the opposite of expensive?
It's new.
Expensive. Opposite, Lam. Opposite.
Oh, it's cheap.
Yes. What about
Cheapy.
old? It is an old house.
It is a new house.
It is big.
It is.
It is a new apartment.
It is an old apartment.